This, this video may be a little rushed, so sorry.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Everything KF, and in today's video we are talking about climates. A quick disclaimer, if you live on Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Eris, Ceres, Mackay, Haumea, WASP 76b, Press 2b, LHS 3154b, LT9779b, PSR B162026b, TOI 849b, or Kepler 16b, then like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Now enough of the yapping, let's get into Chapter 1.
Chapter 1. Tropical Wet Climate.
Tropical wet climates are only found around the equator, but not all climates from 0 to 25 latitudes are tropical wet climates. The reason for this is winds. The best example is Hawaii. It isn't technically a tropical wet climate because it is dry at some parts of the island. Unlike actual tropical wet climates, which are lush all over, average temperature is about 70 to 90 degrees, so it is pretty hot, but then again, I have been to Venus.
Chapter 2. Mediterranean Climate.
Mediterranean climates are found around coastal areas in 30 to 45 latitude. Pleasant climates, warm and dry summers, and mild winters. Personally, I would say it's kind of unbearably hot during summer and nice and warm during winter, but you know. Also, I'm including both summer and winter in this, so the range is 30 to 70 degrees.
Chapter 3. Ice Cap Climate.
Wow, it's cold in here because we are in the ice cap climates, which reminds me, ice cap climates are climates that are icy cold and very far from the equator at 60 and 65 degrees latitude, also having the coldest temperature ever recorded being negative 82 degrees Celsius, also known as negative 186 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, the best temperature for muscle shirt and shorts. What can go wrong?
Chapter 4. Arid Climate.
A arid climate is super dry and hot. Found at 30 degrees latitude from the equator, the maximum rainfall is about 10 inches, which even then is rare. So any and all plants that have a possibility of growing require very little water, like cactuses or aloe vera. I guess we need to call X.
Chapter 5. Humid Subtropical Climate.
Humid subtropical climates are known for their hot, humid summers and mild winters. The temperatures range from about 45 to 80 degrees. Also found at around 20 to 40 degrees latitude. Usually found around coasts, but could be found inland.
Chapter 6. Subarctic Climate.
Deja vu! It sure is cold up here. Subarctic climates are extremely cold, but a barely dodged an ice cap climate because it's only 50 to 70 degrees latitude. Not as high as the ice caps, which means it gets brief warm periods. It is not a type of coastal climate, being found only in the innards of Europe, Canada, and anything else there, basically.
Chapter 7. Tundra Climate.
The tundra climate is a harsh coastal climate at the Arctic Ocean, with cold temperatures all year round, being at 60 to 75 latitude. It is so cold the hottest it can be is only 35 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's during summer, it usually being in the negatives. Another thing is due to its cold temperature, there's a layer of underground land called permafrost, which makes all the water rise up into puddles.
Chapter 8. Marine West Climate.
Marine West climates are mainly known for basically only having summer and winter, which would mean no fall or spring, but only in technical sense, since technically they do exist. Just not too different, so most people consider it just not existing, mainly because the weather is random but similar to summer and winter. The climate is found around mid-latitude, so in between two latitudes, the Arctics and the tropics, which the average temperature is 30 degrees to 70 degrees. Semi-arid climates are always found near the border of arid climates. There isn't much to say except that, it basically is an arid climate, but it rains more. Maybe 10 inches more. The latitude average is from the best that I can say, -3 degrees to 18 degrees Celsius, which is an average of both the warm and cold sides of the semi-arid climates. Chapter 10, Humid Continental Climate. As said in the name, humid continental climates are found in the innards of continents at 30 to 60 in latitude. The temperature varies, but the average temperature from both winter and summer combined is 0 to 71, with the possibility of 100 degrees, which is surprising, considering its high latitude being way over 40 degrees latitude. Finally, the end. Now I can go cool off in the pool. An arid is super humid.